So there's one mistake lots of streaming users seem to do. Firestick users, Fire TV users, you could be on your mobile phone, you could be on your Android device, and many people seem to do this one. And I'm going to ask you the question, do you do it as well? Okay, before we open it up and before I show you all about what I'm talking about, remember, hit that follow button. If you're watching on YouTube, hit subscribe. If you're watching on any other platform, hit follow, and also come find Doc Squiffy on YouTube because that's our main platform to bring you all the latest streaming videos. Okay, so how many of you have done this? You go to your settings, you go to your applications, you go to manage installed applications, and once in here, you go down and you think, oh, I need a bit more storage. Let's clear the cache. So rewind to clear the cache. And how many people clear the cache on a weekly basis, on a daily basis? Let me know in the comments. And let me know why you clear the cache. Because if it's for extra storage, it's kind of pointless. Mainly because that storage will get refilled straight away as soon as you open the application. If it's for extra storage so you can put an app on, you'll put that app on, and then there's not enough room for the cache to go back into an app. Okay, the cache is used in most streaming apps and apps online to speed the application up. Otherwise, it wouldn't be there. Okay, so it's there. So things like your movie thumbnails, even little preview, all that sort of stuff doesn't need to be re-downloaded every time you open an app. And because of that, you want it and it will load quicker. The only time you should clear the cache is if an app is malfunctioning. So if an app's not working correctly, of course, go clear the cache. Restart your device, unplug it, restart it. But people clear the cache weekly and it actually slows an app down rather than speeds it up because the cache is there to make it quicker. It's there to make it load faster, make it load better. And people do it thinking, oh, I'll clear the cache. And then 2 minutes later, you reopen the app, the cache is back anyway. So it's very pointless. Again, I do not clear cache on my device unless an app is malfunctioning. And that doesn't always fix it anyway, but unless it's malfunctioning, I would not clear the cache. And I have a Fire Stick with many, many apps, loads and loads of apps, don't have many issues with any form of streaming or anything like that. So if your apps is not working correctly or malfunctioning, of course, clear the cache, restart your device, the standard stuff. But if it isn't, don't just clear it for no reason because it's pointless. You're going to get yourself extra space that you think you need, but what happens is that space then gets filled up, then there's no room for the cache, and then people are saying, oh, I keep getting a warning, I haven't got enough storage on my device. Real quick tip there, I have gone over it before, but I know many of you like to clear the cache, so I thought I'd give it a quick shout out, because this will go out on many, many different platforms. So remember to hit that thumbs up, hit that follow button, hit that subscribe, and also, quick word from one of our partners, it's coming up to that time of year again, coming up to Christmas. Now's the time, if you want to get a VPN, keep yourself private, keep yourself safe online, one which works with all the best streaming apps. IPVanish is linked underneath for you as well. We are partnered with them, does help support the channel, so if you want to support me, I don't have memberships or anything like that. I don't do any of that sort of stuff, don't have donations. We have the odd advert on the channel, but if you want to help support the channel, I'd rather you signed up using one of my affiliate links. I get a tiny commission, you get a VPN, rather than just donating or joining a random Patreon or something like that, where you get pretty much nothing and I get the money. I'm not about that. So if you need a VPN, give it a crack, give it a try, and let me know how you get on with it. Brilliant. I've been Doc Squiffy. Thank you all for watching. Remember to hit that follow button. If you're on YouTube, hit subscribe. Come find me on all social medias, and I'll see you soon.